today I'll be talking on dropshipping mistakes you should avoid if you actually want to make good success in dropshipping. I've been into dropshipping for over 5 years now, and there are some mistakes I wouldn't want that I have made and I wouldn't want you to make. Yes. Beautiful people, welcome to my channel. It's a girl Fumike with a new video today. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming here again, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Fumike. I create content on business ideas, do-it-yourself tutorials and lifestyle. I film from city of Lagos in Nigeria. If any of this content I create interests you, kindly consider subscribing. Just hit the subscribe button down there and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I have a new video. Just join our family today. We love you and would love to have you. Thank you. The importance of having people who have gone before us share their experience, their mistakes and their success with us is so that we can also get there faster, so we can avoid those mistakes. And that is why I'll be doing this today. Mistake you should avoid as a newbie in dropshipping. If you actually want to succeed in dropshipping, these are things you should do away with. Before I go into it, what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is actually the art of buying and selling without having to stock up the goods or having to invest. You really do not need anything in dropshipping. The only thing you need in dropshipping is just an internet-enabled mobile phone, and that's all. So if you want to know more about dropshipping, I'll link the video right up here. Please check it out, and I also put the link to the videos in the description box below. Yes, please check them out. And I also have another video where I gave contact of tested and trusted importers you can work with. Yes, I vouch for them any day, anytime. There are people I actually worked with when I was starting as a dropshipper in 2016, and there are people I can always stand for. Yeah. I'll put the link to the video also right up here, and it will also be in the description box below. Please check them out. Yeah. And dropshipping is something anybody can do. Yes, a 9-to-5 worker, a stay-at-home mom, student, whichever category you fall into, this dropshipping is something you can actually do to make extra cash for yourself. So the first mistake I'll be talking about is having unrealistic expectations. Yes, I know we all want to make money, we all want to be successful, but when you start having unrealistic expectations, you're bound to actually get frustrated if it's not coming. It takes dedication and patience to achieve good success in dropshipping. Yes, when I started dropshipping, it wasn't rosy for me at all. Yes, because you advertise, nobody's coming, no customer is coming. You might get frustrated because you feel like in the next 1 month I want to start making thousands of nairas or millions. Guys, you might get frustrated and just drop everything. You need to be patient, you need to be dedicated to it. Yes, in dropshipping, please always be patient and dedicated. Do not set unrealistic expectations for yourself, because you might get frustrated and want to back out. The second mistake I'll be talking about is dropshipping for dishonest suppliers. Guys, this is actually one of the most important thing if you want to succeed in dropshipping. At all costs, avoid dishonest suppliers. You don't want to do anything with them. They will destroy that brand you're trying to build. Yes, if they're not trying to sell substandard goods to you, they will be lying when you have an order to fulfill. Instead of them to complain to you, they will start lying, lies upon lies, like they've sent it out this minute. Different excuses. You don't want to have anything to do with them, and we all know that the online scam rate these days is actually high. So when you start giving those excuses to your customer, they'll be like, oh, is this person really serious? Yes. So it can actually mar that brand for you. Yes. So please, by all means, avoid dishonest suppliers. Please, they will destroy your brand for you. That was, I compiled a list of people I've worked with, suppliers I've worked with at a point or the other. Please check out that video. It will be in the description box. Please check it out. The third mistake I'll be talking about is relying on just one supplier or one manufacturer. Guys, you might get stranded here. For me, I have a dropshipping group. Yes, and I always advise them in the group, please, by all means, do not rely on just me. Yes, do not rely on just me. Also endeavor to chat other suppliers. I usually send them the link to that video. Please chat other suppliers. These are people I know. Also work with them so you won't get stranded at the point where I don't have goods, or maybe I ran out of stock of some goods. You can always fall back on them. Like, there's a backup. Do not just rely on just one supplier. Like, for like 5 days I wasn't active in the group. Yes, because I had so many things. I couldn't even update or even reply to their questions. So if they are just relying on just me, they might be stranded. Yes, so that is why I always advise that you have multiple honest importers you can work with. The fourth mistake I'll be talking about is inconsistency with posting. You posting whenever you feel like. guys, nobody will actually take you serious. Yes, nobody will take you serious. For me, if I actually want to get something from an online vendor, I'm also guilty of this. Yes, I'm also guilty of this. If I want to get something from an online vendor and I check your page and I see that you've not been consistent, you only post whenever you feel like, I might actually want to reconsider my decision. Yes, I'll just move on to the next available seller, because I don't understand why you would advertise today and we won't see you until the next 1 month. No, there are actually times you need to take break off social media. That's fine. I would also advise you that whenever you want to take breaks like that, just drop it on your Instagram page. Please, I'll be taking so days of Instagram. I remember when I was going to write the exam, I did it. Yes, I posted it. I want to be available for some days or for some weeks. And yeah, so you can also do that. Do not just post whenever you feel like. Be consistent. Have a schedule, like maybe every day, daily, you want to post 3 times. Please stick to it. Always show up, like showing up. One of the Instagram experts said, for a customer to actually order for you, they must have seen your goods, they must have come across your page at a time or the other for like 7 times, for at least 7 times. So please, you need to be consistent. Do not just post whenever you feel like. The 5th mistake I'll be talking about is not following up with customers' order. Okay, let's say a customer orders for a shoe from you and you pay to the importer to deliver on your behalf. You need to be on, like, all ends needs to be on deck. You need to follow up till that order gets to the end user, which is your customer. Do not just go back to sleep. Oh, she have sent the order to the importer and let me just forget about it. No, please, because those importers also have their own customers to tend with, and you know their own customer will always come first. Yeah, so you need to follow up till that goods get to your customer. Even the customer will actually appreciate it. Oh, this person actually is thoughtful. Last week I had to send out an order. I was at work and it rained that day. It was evening. It was until evening that I remember that, oh, there are some orders I need to follow, and I followed up. And guys, the customer didn't get it that because of the rain, but thank God I followed up. Oh, I'm sorry. It might actually be because of the rain. I will reach the dispatch rider now and get back to you. And she was actually pleased with it. Yeah, so please always follow up. Importers I gave her their contact are actually honest people, but then you need to also follow up, because these guys also have their customers to attend to. They have other things they are involved with. So please, maybe in the evening, once you send out your order, in the evening or that day, oh man, I just thought to follow up, or you just chat up the customer, I just thought to follow up, have you gotten your order? It even says something good about your business. Yes, it gives a sense of, oh, this person is serious, this person knows what he or she is doing. Do you get? Then the 6th mistake I'll be talking about is adding too much profit to the price given to you. You need to add reasonable profit. Do not put too much profit on them. Yes, you know that these things are actually like you're getting from a supplier, not like you're importing it directly. So be reasonable with the profit you add to the prices. Actually scare away customers. They know the price. If they don't know the exact price, they might have an idea of the price range. They might go on Jumia, Konga to check out those prices. And when you have too much, you're scaring them away. You might not get so much orders or so much customers. The 7th dropshipping mistake you should avoid is what? Lack of customer service. It still boils down to you following up after delivery. Ask for their reviews. Always make sure you follow up with their orders, and even when addressing them, be professional. I don't get what, for me, oh my god, I don't get why a customer is coming to you to order and you are using endearing words for them. It should be official. No, you don't have any business with good morning dear, hello dear, have you gotten it dear? Oh my god, no. Especially for we Nigerians, be professional. Good day ma, good day ma, good day sir, what would you like to, how may I help you? Things are like, they're actually just perfect. Avoid those endearing words. Dearie, no, it is business. It is business and should strictly be what? Business. Avoid those endearing words. Be professional. Yes, you're trying to build a brand. That is how it starts. Be professional in the way you address them, and also make sure you follow up. Ask for their reviews. Ask if they have any complaint about the order they got. Just follow up. The 7th dropshipping mistake I'll be talking about is poor attention to details. Yeah, because when getting your order from customers, make sure you get the right details, because most of these importers, they do no refund. They do not do refunds. Yes, so you need to pay attention to details. You need to pay attention to all the details the customer sends you. When they send you, I need this shoe, black, 38. Make sure that is what you send to the importer. Get the detailed information and forward to the importer. Yes, because most importers their exchange policy is within 24 hours. So you need to pay attention to details. Make sure you get the right details from the customer. The 8th dropshipping mistake I'll be talking about is selling copyrighted items, the like of Nike, Chanel, Prada, and the likes. I've done a video about that sometimes ago, when I advised that you should refrain from selling copyrighted products. I'll link the video right up here. Please check it out. Please stay away from those imitations. Yes, imitations of those products, copyrighted product. Please stay away from them, because they know the people they work with. So when you post those pictures and they come across it, they will report that page to Instagram, and Instagram will, what in return, they will ban that page. It's as simple as that. So please stay away from those copyrighted imitations of those copyrighted products. Please stay away from them. The ninth dropshipping mistake I'll be talking about is not doing enough research on what you're dropshipping. Now, when I was starting dropshipping, I started with mosquito nets, and because I haven't seen that mosquito net, customers will ask me, okay, when I buy this mosquito net, how do I install it? Because I've never seen it before. I had to go on YouTube. I will check out videos how to install foldable tent net, just so I have an idea on how it's been set up. Because customers ask that questions a lot. It won't be fair, or it won't speak so much of me when customers ask information about this products, and because I haven't seen it, I won't be able to say anything. It shows that I don't know what I'm doing. Yes, you should go extra miles. Do not just depend on the information you get from the importers. Also go to the market, go to Google, search about the product, those tiny details, search about them and know them, so that when anybody asks you questions about them, you know what to say. You can answer, you can give them a satisfactory response. The last mistake I'll be talking about is not building a relationship with your supplier. There are some dropshippers that they've been working with me, and I have good relationship with them. I would, whatever it is they need from me, I've never seen them. Yes, there's a particular dropshipper. She's actually somebody I celebrate, so I've never seen her. She's in Abuja, but then this woman is, so she watches my video. I won't even mention her name, but this woman, there is really nothing she cannot collect from me. Yes, we've actually built a relationship to that extent. There's nothing she wants from me that I will not release that there's no help she needs from me that she cannot ask, and I won't release it. And there's nothing I need from her. If I need anything in Abuja where she stays, she'll be the first person to come to my mind. Yeah, so it all started, she got my contact on Facebook, but then we were able to build a mother and child relationship. She values me a lot, and I value that woman. So please always try to build relationship with supplier. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. You guys know how much I love you. Please let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. If there's any difficulty you're facing, or any challenge you're facing as a new dropshipper, please let me know in the comment section. You can also send me DMs on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram handle on the screen. The link to my Instagram handle will also be in the description box. Please send me DMs if you have any challenge, anything you want to share with me as a newbie in dropshipping. Please share them with me. I'll be in the comment section waiting for you. There are other various videos I've done on side hustle ideas, full details about dropshipping. I'll link those videos right up here. Also check the description box for links to those videos. Thank you so much. I love you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. You guys know how much I love you. And if you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and join the team today. Thank you so much. I love you guys. You guys have what? A special place inside of me. Thank you. I love you all.